Make money with AI. Nobody is talking about this AI tool that's making people thousands while they sleep. I found a woman named Sarah who went from broke college student to earning $5,000 a month in just 60 days using this exact method. She discovered an AI automation that runs customer service for small businesses completely hands-free. Here's how it works. You find local businesses struggling with customer support. Then you offer them this AI chatbot that handles 80% of their questions automatically. The crazy part? You charge them $300 to $500 per month, but it only costs you $20 to run. Sarah started with just one pizza shop. Now she has 15 clients and makes more than most people's full-time jobs. The best part is, you don't need any tech skills. This AI platform does everything for you. You just copy and paste their proven templates. If you want to see exactly how Sarah built this business step by step, comment AI below, and I'll send you the free training that shows you everything.